Okay, now we have to remove the top bolt. Don't remove the middle one, and also don't remove the bolt all the way. Alright, to remove the bottom bolt, you're going to want 2 millimeters. One on the left side and one on the right side. Now that the bottom bolt is off, all you want to do is hit the center of the bolt until it comes off. If it gets stuck, you want to grab a flathead screwdriver so you can push it all the way off. So if the bolt gets stuck like that, you want to grab a jack so you can put it under the lower control arm. Now that the bottom bolt is off, you want to drop the jack so you can finish off removing these bolts on top. Now that the top bolts are off, you want to lower the jack slowly. Okay, now that it's off, we can put the spacer on and let's see how it goes. Alright, now that the spacer on, you want to tighten it in so it doesn't jump around. Next, remove the lower ball jump bolt so you can lift this up without no problem. When you're done removing the lower bolt, put that bolt back in and tighten it up. Then you want to raise this lower portion with the jack so you could put in the lower ball joint nuts again. Alright, now you have to align the bolts on the bottom. And after you're done, just tighten up everything properly. This is the final result. You could go higher, but for now I'm just gonna stay like this.